Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the alpha-1-acid glycoprotein test. Whether you're a healthcare professional or someone curious about this diagnostic tool, we've got you covered. Hey there, everyone. Before we jump into the specifics of the alpha-1-acid glycoprotein test, let's cover some important pre-test information. Pre-test information. First off, there's no special preparation required for this test. That means no fasting or dietary restrictions beforehand. Just walk into the lab ready to go. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of this test. Specification of test. The alpha-1-acid glycoprotein test, also known as AGP, is a diagnostic tool used to measure the levels of alpha-1-acid glycoprotein in the blood. So, what diseases are associated with changes in AGP levels? Well, it's often increased in patients with inflammation. Additionally, elevated AGP levels can be found in patients with certain types of tumors. When it comes to the specimen used for this test, it's typically a blood sample drawn from a vein in your arm. Now, let's break down the components included in the alpha-1-acid glycoprotein test. Components of the test. Alpha-1-acid glycoprotein is a protein found in the blood. It plays a role in various physiological processes, including inflammation and immune response. AGP is glycoprotein, meaning it contains carbohydrates attached to its structure, which are essential for its function. Alright, let's talk about the turnaround time for test results. Test report time. Generally, you can expect to receive your test results within a few days. However, this can vary depending on the lab and other factors. Now, let's delve into some important information about the significance of this test. Test information. As mentioned earlier, elevated levels of AGP are often observed in patients with inflammation or certain types of tumors. In cases of Philadelphia-positive chronic myeloid leukemia, raised AGP levels have been associated with a poorer prognosis. It's believed that in inflammatory conditions, AGP helps modulate the immune response by binding to certain molecules and influencing the activity of immune cells. Let's talk about interpreting the test results. Interpreting test results. When you receive your test results, they will typically indicate the level of alpha-1-acid glycoprotein in your blood. Your healthcare provider will interpret these results in the context of your overall health and medical history. Now, you might be wondering, why is this test important? Importance of the test. Well, understanding your AGP levels can provide valuable insight into your health status, particularly in cases of inflammation or certain types of cancer. It can help guide treatment decisions and monitor disease progression. And finally, let's touch on some FAQs about the alpha-1-acid glycoprotein test. FAQs. One common question is whether medications or lifestyle factors can affect AGP levels. While some medications and conditions may influence AGP levels, your healthcare provider will consider these factors when interpreting your results. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to the alpha-1-acid glycoprotein test. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns about this test, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.